Patubo. No basket. One minute and 20. Mr. Pinoy looking for 3. Walang bantay. Wala. Oy, nakakuha. Basket ni Mr. Daliman. Basket. 4 minutes and 5. Ayun. 15 seconds shot lang. No basket. At nakakuha ni number 20. 15 seconds shot lang. Back. Dali lang. Pasok, papasok. Ayan. Ang bilis ni Mr. Leon. Rahat, pati, no basket, ibang by Mr. Tangge. Looking for teammates, pass to Mr. Laupan, basket by Mr. Patubo. 2 minutes and 8. 33-43 in favor of the board. 10.3 last 3 minutes. 12 second shot left. Last 5 second shot left. Basket by Mr. Opin. Alvar. 15 second shot left. Mr. Patubo sa gitna. Using board. Malakas. Pangkuy. 2 minutes and 28. Pangkuy. 15 second shot left. 2 minutes and 20. Nakakuha ni Mr. Tangge. 3 versus 1. Basket. Okay. 10.3 by the board. 15 seconds left. Shot left. Last 2 minutes. Ayun. Ayun. Pumasok. Albay. Basket. Tangge. Basket. 1 minute and 50. Pansuy. 20 seconds shot left. Nakakuha yung number 27. Pass to Mr. Tangge. Tangge again. Nice kick. Nice shot. 1 minute and 35. Okay, 1 minute and 30. 1 minute and 20. Short. Ibang by Mr. Galima. Basket.
Pilipinas yung yari yan. Ganyan.
Sabayo. Back to Rojas. Nakuha yung last 1 minute. Mr. Alvar. Nagmamadali. Basket. Last 50 seconds.
Ano lang, 5.
Apat na lang po ang kalamangan ng the board. Last 45 seconds. Basket. Last 40 seconds. Ay! Nakitang-kita na unang ang hakbang.
Hey, kung naharap ko lang sila!
Last 30 seconds. Basket for the board. Last 25 seconds. Sir Pangkuy. Nakakuha ni Mr. Tino. Last 20 seconds. Last 15 seconds. 5 seconds.